Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I want to talk about another 5 companies that are listed in the US market and that actually pay a good dividend, and besides that they have incremented the dividend for quite a long time. In the last video I made another information of 5 companies that paid a good dividend as well, but these companies are listed in the Canadian market. So before we get into the content, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have comments about this video, leave that info in the comment section below. So first of all, I just want to make you aware that this information is information that I looked for in the internet. And if you want to invest in some of these companies, I recommend you to do your own research, because that's what you have to do. You have to analyze the fundamentals of every company before deciding to invest in that company. So first company I want to talk about is at&t. It's another company that belongs to the telecommunication industry. You know, that industry is an industry that I like a lot because I consider it to be very important in our day-to-day life, either entertainment or work as well. This company has been paying a dividend of 6.9%, one of the biggest dividends that I have in my portfolio. And in the internet I found that this company has increased the dividend only for 1 year, consecutive year, but I don't know if that information is correct. If you ever want to invest in this company, I recommend you to search that information. You can Google it and make sure that this information is okay, otherwise you can find more information about it. So let's see how this company behaved for the last 5 years. We can notice that it had its ups and downs as every company. From 2018 at the beginning until the beginning of 2019, it had like a general downward trend, but then it was trying to recover. Unfortunately, the market hit this company hard, and since then, since March 2020, it has tried to recover, but unfortunately now up to date it's like at the same levels it had before, or when the market crashed. But I'm pretty sure this company is going to recover all the ground it lost before the market crashed, and over time it's going to give us some good gains, because remember that it's paying a actually amazing dividend as well. So the next company is Johnson & Johnson. It's a company that doesn't need an introduction at all. I'm pretty sure some of you, or maybe a lot of you, have used some of its products. It offers pharmaceutical products, consumer health products like skincare products, self-care products as well, and stuff like that. So like I said, this company doesn't need any introduction at all. Right now this company is paying a dividend of 2.8%. It's not quite high compared to the dividend that at&t it's been paying, but what I find interesting, besides the product it has, is that it's been incrementing the dividend for the last 62 years. So this is something that gives me even more confidence that this company is going to keep doing the same thing for quite a long time, although it is not 100% certified. But the thing is that it is more likely that they will continue to do so, and that is what is important for me. So for the last 5 years we can see a general upward trend, which is something good. And then when the market crashed back in March 2020, it got hit hard as well, but you can notice that it has recovered much faster than other companies, and also it has like maintained its level. So this is a company that I like to call a anti-crisis company, because if we are in a good economic situation, in a good economic time, this company is going to go up. But if we go into a recession, or we have economic issues like uncertainty and stuff like that, then this company is going to go down a little, but it's going to recover much faster than other companies. That's why I like this company a lot. So the next company I want to talk about is Coca-Cola, another company that doesn't need introduction at all. It's been paying a dividend of 3.2%, which is quite high. It's good for me, but it's been incrementing the dividend for the last 58 years, which is something very good, and that's why I like this company even more. Who doesn't know Coca-Cola's products? Who doesn't know or doesn't understand what is the main business of the company. We all basically know that information besides the dividend and the track history they have with incrementing dividends gives me enough confidence to invest in this company. We can see that for the last 5 years, it's not a company that has gained a lot in value. Until 2019, we can see a clear upward trend, like better than the last 3-4 years, but the market crashed. Then it had recovered some ground, but it still has some ground to go, and I'm pretty sure this company is going to fully recover in 1 or even 2 years, or I would say 1 year for sure. And in the meantime, we can take advantage of the dividend it pays, and also if we want to invest even more in this company, we have like a 55% discount nowadays. A good company to consider in our portfolio, and I'm pretty sure it's going to give us all good results as well. So next company I want to talk about is McDonald's, another company that doesn't need any introduction at all. It's been paying a dividend of 2.7%. It's been incrementing the dividend for the last 12 consecutive years. It's not a lot compared to the other 2 companies that I just talked about, but it's like a good amount of consecutive years incrementing the dividend, which is something good. This company, for me, is not an anti-crisis company, at least not as much as Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, because for the lockdown, a lot of people was restricted to eat at the restaurants and stuff like that, though they can do some delivery or to take out as well. That's why it doesn't have lost a lot of value in the market. But anyways, for me, I think this is a good investment. We can notice for the last 5 years it has gained a lot of value in the market, from mid 2017 until before the market crashed back in March 2020. It gained a lot of value, and since the market crashed, it has fully recovered. It has a value of $227 per share, and we can see that even on crisis situations, this company knows how to recover, and that is something good. It gives me enough confidence to invest in a company like this. That's why I brought this company to this video. The next company I want to talk about is Proctor & Gamble, another company that doesn't need introduction. You can notice the pattern in companies of this video. It has products, it offers products for baby care, fabric care, family care, grooming, hair care, and this company offers products that we used in our everyday life. This company is what I consider to be a anti-crisis company again, like Johnson & Johnson and Coca-Cola as well. Because even in good economic situations or in situations of crisis, economic crisis as well, we're going to need its products, and that's why I consider it to be a very good company. It's been paying a dividend of 2.23%, which is something not very good, because it's a good dividend but not that good. But the thing is that this company, it's been incrementing the dividend for the last 64 years. So among the 5 companies in this video, this company is the one that has incremented the dividend the longest in terms of consecutive years, which is something very good, and that's why I brought this company to this video. It's a company that I like a lot. All anti-crisis companies by me actually are companies that I like a lot, and I like to have them in my portfolio as well. You can see that in the last 5 years, you can see that for the last from 2016 until 2018, the company was kind of flat. Then it went down in the market, but then it recovered, and until the market crashed. You can notice that among the 5 companies, I think this company is the one that wasn't hit that hard compared to the other 4. But besides that, it's the company that has recovered the most since the market crashed back in March 2020. That's what I'd say. This is like an anti-crisis company, and that's why I like it a lot. So these are the 5 companies I wanted to talk about in this video. Remember that this is just to give you an idea of some good companies out there that They are very well positioned in the industry they belong to. Besides that, they pay a good dividend as well. And also they have a good track of incrementing dividend for the most consecutive years, which is something very good and gives me a lot of confidence to invest in companies like that. Remember, you can put aside some money to buy shares of this company, and that is going to help you a lot. So before we finish, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You are going to help me a lot by doing that. And if you have comments, leave those comments in the comment section below. So thank you for watching and have a good one.